This is Mark from RPM Auto Accessories here in Norwalk, California. Today we have this Ram 2500. We're going to do a 2-inch leveling kit. Rough country, there it is. And the goal for this one is to fit 37s with just the leveling kit. So here they are right here. TIS 24 inch. I'm sorry, 22 inch. Right, 21 socket. Remove the shock. All right, so what we did here is we disconnected the shock just to allow for the travel to go down so we can be able to take out the spring. Now we got this out. On to the next step. All right, so for this next step, installing the spacer, this thing. So, oops. So, have a bolt. We're gonna bolt this onto the stock hole there. And give it a look. Right there. And then for the other hole on this side, we're gonna have to mark it and drill it out. All right, so now we have our mark there. It's time to drill that hole. See if you can lower it more. More. Yeah. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay, I think. I got my finger stuck between the tie rod and the spring. Don't get your finger stuck. Okay. So we have the driver's side ready. Spacer. This is the hole that we had to drill out. This is the original hole that was in there. So yeah, spacer in, mount, the spring. Spring just came out easy. We just had to take off the bolt for the shock, and then it dropped enough to really just pull out the spring, and we just use a jack to kind of lift it up and down, keep it tight up in there, and so yeah. All right, so for this one, we're installing the shock back, and just a little tip, trick, whatever. That's what I use. Is like trying to get it in here, in there, but you're gonna kind of put pressure down on it to be able to put it in there. So I'm gonna use a socket just to be able to press it down, and I don't hurt my hand. Ooh. There you go. All right, so we have it. We have the wheel onto the truck. Oh man, see, kind of cutting. You're gonna have to. Once we're done with the other side, we'll go ahead and lower it. See how it's sitting. All right, so for the back, we're just gonna change the shock. All it is a 21 millimeter socket there, bolt, and then we gotta get the top right there. So this is driver's side. Already finished the passenger side. Sorry for that loud noise. Compressor. So there it is. Shock. And we took off the wheel well or the fender liner. Yeah. Be able to access it easier. So here it is. We have it complete already. We did the front with 2.5 inch leveling kit. So we did the spacer, the M1 rough country shocks in front, and just in the rear is just the M1 shock in the rear. And then we are running 37, 13.5 22s with TIS wheels and some Salem Terramax RT tires. The offset on these are -44. So right now we're gonna take it for a spin, see if it settles in, and then we gotta check see if there's any rubbing. Which just looking at it, I'm sure there's gonna be some rubbing. So we're gonna have to be cutting. Hopefully it doesn't hit the step in the back here. I don't know. It's looking a little too close. Let's give it a try. All right, so took it out already. Full turn. Turn it. Put some rubbing here. A little bit of rubbing there. Saving on the front. Just there you look. Keep on turning it. There you go. Okay, so just a little cutting. right, so we got the truck done. 2.5-inch leveling kit. 37, 13.5, 22s. Look at that. Got the cut right here a little bit, and also right here in the front. See, right here, and it barely misses there in the front. But man, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think?